tools bar. Here it is. Select, pen, highlight, eraser, right click mouse, notebook 10, keyboard, redo, customize. See if I can make that a little bigger for you. And this you can move to either side by grabbing it here and moving it this way, or moving it back that way, or anywhere in between. This, the double arrows, you click on it and make this go to here. Click on it again and bring it back out like it is. Okay. Using Notebook 10 software on Smartboard. Come down to taskbar, go to up arrow, click on it, go to Smartboard icon, click on it. You get a list: notebook, recorder, video player, keyboard, have floating tools. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 areas are the areas of concentration. This is your floating toolbar. You can move it from left to right, anywhere in between. To close it, click on your double arrows. To open it, click on your double arrows, pull it to the left side, same, in, out, close, open. Whichever side you choose to leave it on is up to you. When we clicked on your Smartboard icon, in it you saw high floating tools. Well, you click on high floating tools and that bar goes away. Click on show floating tools, the bar comes back. Okay, these are your tools. Move it to the left side. Here you see notebook, keyboard, Smartboard icon. You see notebook, keyboard. So you can open the notebook or the keyboard from two different areas. Okay, using the software. Click on Exit. Your floating toolbar goes away. Click back on your up arrows. You do not see it. To bring it back, you go and you click on your icon, whether it's on your desktop or in your start all programs. Smart Technologies, Smartboard drives, Smart Notebook. You click on Smart Notebook. Okay, Smart Notebook. It opens up and you see the same thing. recorder, video player, Wacom Center, Notebook 10. Click on Smart Notebook 10. Smart Notebook 10 opens up. Okay, we're going to talk about this later. You can close this out. You can uncheck this so that when you open this in the future, this will not come up. Recent open notebook files. If you did something in this previously, close it out, open it back up, it'll list all your recent files right here. Close this out. For practice, I'm going to leave this checked. I'm going to close this out. Go back down here. Double arrows up. You still do not see that icon because you closed it out. Okay. You click on this, it'll open up Notebook 10. You click on this, it opens up Notebook 10. Okay. That's the general principle of opening the Notebook 10 software.